Hi guys, I'm Allie with Allie Artifacts. Thank you so much for stopping in. If you have already seen my Scrubby Sunday video and you're now seeing this, and I was wearing the same thing, and yep, I'm wearing the same thing. And who knows when I'm going to post this? I don't always post everything in succession, but yeah, I'm wearing the same thing I wore for the one Scrubby Sunday that was happening. Anyway, I wanted to kind of do these in succession so I could get them at least recorded and hopefully get them up very soon. But this thing is it's kind of timely and kind of not. But let me just tell you what it is. So here's the package. I got this thing. Here's the package, and if you can see, it says Ophelia Talks on there. So have you ever looked at her channel? She's super talented. My goodness. She is, I think she, honestly, my goodness, I was watching her for a while and then I kind of stopped watching her just because things get busy, like you can't watch everybody. But I was like fascinated. She was doing a thing about, it was like an argyle pattern, like a blanket. I think it was a blanket. No, it was a pillow cover. And it was gorgeous. And it was like, oh my gosh, she's carrying the yarn through that and blah, blah. It was my first go around for even seeing anything like that. And I thought, wow, that's really awesome. But kind of lost touch with that whole thing. Well, then, because I subscribed to her, I got a notification or something, or maybe she came up in my feed because I watch YouTube on my TV. And all I saw was Agatha Christie, Greenway, England. I'm thinking, like England, mystery, detective, golden age of detective novels. This is all I'm thinking. And I was like, I want this. So basically what it is she is doing like a cow, like a crochet-a-long, and it has to do with, it's sort of an Agatha Christie Greenway. Greenway was the sort of home of Agatha Christie. And it's kind of sort of themed around that because she created this story about it, and it's very cute. So, but all I knew was just those things, and so I was like, okay, let me see what this is. I want the yarn. I want to see what's going on. What's the theme? And I ordered this. So, and my goodness, and I did pay extra for shipping because I was like, if I'm going to do the cowl, I got to do it now. Blah blah. I get like that, and it came, and I don't know if I have time to do this cowl. My goodness, it's a crazy time of year. But I got the yarn, and I've heard lots of good things about her yarn. I've not opened the package yet, as you can see, but I'm super excited because I've heard that her yarn is wonderful. So I'm going to open it. We're going to see what this is. I've already watched one of her videos that was like the story that she had created for this mystery, mystery cow. Wow, I don't even know how to get into this without cutting yarn. I'm gonna do the best I can. I always ask for prayer for this. So if you can be doing that, that'd be awesome. Because, oh heavens, I'm trying to think I'm doing good. All right, I almost stabbed my table doing it, but better the table than the yarn. All right, okay, already seeing gorgeousness, already seeing organza. That is lovely. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna cut the whole way across. Oh, this is really pretty. Can you see that yet? No, you can't. Hold on. Okay. See that? Oh gosh, this is pretty. This is pretty. Oh gosh, it's packed so nicely. And I'm sorry I'm taking so long. I really don't want to, I don't want to crinkle, and I don't want to cut anything important. But keep praying. Hold on. Okay. All right. I feel like I'm playing with fire here. I'm so sorry I'm taking so long. But you know how that goes, right? You want to be super careful. Okay, I think we're far enough into this thing. Oh gosh, this is so exciting. And she must have like worked so hard on this because the video, I know, I mean, just even doing like a Scrubby Sunday video, it's a lot of time just to kind of put that together. And that whole story that she did, and there were angles of cameras and like all this stuff. She had to have done a lot of work on that. And oh my goodness, so, and when you open it up, she's got a little card that she created, and it says, "The Case of the Mysteriously Disappearing Blanket at Greenway, a Crochet-a-long by Ophelia Talks." Isn't that, oh gosh, isn't that cute? So this is a DK weight. And I don't remember, there were two kinds that you could choose from, and I didn't really know what they were, but this, oh gosh, this is so soft. And I think this is like her yarn, like, I think. Well, this says Wendy Wools. So I don't know. I don't know how it works. I don't have enough information because, like I said, I heard all of these words and that's all I could think about. So it's Wendy Supreme DK. And this is 100% premium acrylic. Yeah, it's premium. It's super soft. And this is mocha. So it's 100 grams. Does it say how many yards or anything? That's okay, so that's weird. It doesn't say yardage or anything like that. But I don't know, maybe as we dive in. I should probably look at the card first, don't you think? Okay, so it just says, okay, well this just says an absorbing crochet project which will keep you intrigued for weeks with mysterious colors which will get your creative juices flowing. Featuring Agatha Christie, Ms. Marple, Hercule Poirot, Captain Hastings, Chief Inspector Japp, Ms. Lemon. So many twists and turns that will keep your mind occupied. Oh, these are quotes from other people. Quote, "A dream to create, a joy to use, a blanket to keep." Quote, "Exquisite combinations of stitches resulting in unique looks." And quote, "A true crocheter's paradise, a haven of crochet me time." A blanket designed by Ophelia Talks. Supplies available at, blah, blah, her website, video guidance on YouTube. So, so that is that. So I think it's just basically, I was thinking that there might be like a written thing, but I guess it's like on YouTube, you just kind of go to that. And I wonder if too, because I think in the one video, I think she mentioned something about like written instructions. I'm not sure. So this isn't telling me any kind of yardage or really much instruction. I guess it's just like the washing instructions: mild machine wash, cool iron, cool tumble dry, and you can dry clean it. And then, oh my gosh, it was so tiny I missed it. It does say yardage. It's approximately 295 meters and 322 yards. Needle size 4mm US 6. And I don't know, I'm finding usually if it's like well, yeah, because that would make sense. Yeah, if it's a 4mm needle, it's a 4mm crochet hook. That makes sense. Sometimes I don't know. Anyway, this so this colorway is called Koala. It's just kind of a tan color. This one is pure purple. I thought it said purple because I was reading upside down. Pure purple, and it's definitely it's not as bright purple. It's a I don't even know what color purple that is. Isn't that awful? I did, like I said, I went to art school and I don't know where all those words came from. I mean, where they went. This one is just gold. This is gold. That's more orangey on there. Post-production, maybe it won't be, I don't know, but whatever. I don't know. This one is duck egg. That's a pretty color. I like this. It's more like, almost like minty on this side and not, I don't know. That looks more like mint ice cream. On this side, it's just more of like a classic mint. All right, this is blush. It's blush. These are really pretty. I can't get over how soft. Teal. That's a nice color. That is nice. And then, whoops, this one's had some trouble. Oh, nope, that's the other one. Okay. All right. Vintage Rose is this one. Yeah, it's definitely not as blown out pink as that. That's like a Bridget color. You know Bridget from Queen's Crafts by Bridget? That's one of her colors. But this is not. It's pretty though. It's definitely pretty. Whoops, did I just bump the camera? I'm losing my, okay, let me create more space here. Wow. There's a lot of yarn in here. And what a pretty bag. I mean, just, wow. I like it when they do that extra touch. Okay, yeah, this is the one that's having trouble. Here we go. All right, this one is berry. Yeah, this is more purpley than that, for sure. Okay, let me do it this way. Okay, and that's gonna roll off. Sorry, technical difficulties. Ooh, I like this color. This is cinnamon. It's not as orange as that. It's more like rusty terracotta kind of. That's really pretty. And she does on that one video, well, I'm sure she does on all of them, she shows you what the blanket's going to look like. So it's really pretty. It's a lot of colors. And you know, it's terrible because all I can think of is that's a lot of ends to weave in. But you know, for the blanket that it is, it's gorgeous. And I think it really would be worth it. This one is Cookie. That's Cookie. It's lighter than what's showing up on there, at least for me. I mean, for whatever. Yeah, I'm definitely running out of room here. All right, get a little bit more there. Okay, this one is Sea Green, and it's more blue, but that's a pretty colorway. And then we got some more purples here. This one is Lilac. That is pretty. That's nice. And then this one, got 3 purples here. Lavender. Got to have the lilac and the lavender. That's pretty. Oh, I'm going to just show these purples together. This is nice. I'm not a purple person, but I don't know, I have an appreciation for it, I guess. All right. And then the last one is just natural. It's called Natural. That is really, oh my gosh, all of these colors. I wish I could just bunch them all up. I would drop them on the floor. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, and so soft. It's literally like I'm placing my hands on the top of the pile here, and it's not even including like 3 other ones that I have over here. This is how much yarn that is in here. That's a lot of yarn, and honestly, the price was really good for all of this. I can't even remember what it was, and there's no packing slip, and I didn't think to look before I got on here because I just jumped in and did it. So, because I really wanted to open this. It's been sitting here for several days. Anyway, yeah, so if you, I don't know if you can get in on the cowl at this go round. I have no idea. I don't know if she still sells like the package for this. Maybe. If she does, you know, like maybe take a look. If not, she's got other stuff on her site, you know, for sure. So, and this is nice yarn. This is nice. And I cannot remember what the other one was called, the other choice. It was another DK, and I can't remember why it was like, no, I'll do this one rather than that one. I honestly don't remember. But it's nice. And it's kind of like, I was going to say it's kind of like the Mary Maxim Mellow Spun, but that has a little bit more of like just a skosh of a halo on it. This does not. And this is definitely spun differently and a little bit more tightly. And it's just lovely. I just can imagine a blanket made out of this would be gorgeous. I mean, not just the colors, but like the feel of it. And in the one video, you know, the intro video, whatever, that she's doing the story, she's kind of like got it wrapped around her and stuff. It seems to have like a nice drape to it too, to where it would be like not a super heavy, like in a bad way, you know, kind of thing, but like it would be warm, but that it wouldn't like hang stiff. You know what I mean? So I like this. I like this a lot, and I'm gonna see. I mean, because the way I look at it is if I can't participate in the cowl as it's going on right now, her videos will be there. Hopefully, she'll stay them on, keep them on, and I can just kind of go back at my leisure and just maybe do a row at a time, or whatever. I don't know if it's going to be like a row a week, or like I don't know how she is working that out. I will find out today because I'm going to double check. But yeah, it's gorgeousness. Even if I found something else to do with this yarn, which I don't want to do. I really want to do this cowl. I mean, even if it's not crocheting along, just doing what she set out to do. that would be cool. So I just keep looking at it. If my eyes are going like this, that's why I just keep looking at all this yarn. Anyway, thank you so much for stopping in, for checking out my madness, whatever this is. Thank you. I will see you around the tube. God bless you. Thank you again for being here. Take care, guys. Bye.